Welcome back from break. CNG 212. Had a few questions pop up. I don't know how many of everyone is in the Hangouts, but a question about um, Kaplan and Certiport, or I'm sorry, Kaplan and MTAs. Uh, should be listed in the syllabus that they're required for. I want to say the Kaplan. Yeah, the Kaplan is required. Cengage Unlimited required. You should have a Kaplan and should be studying for the 70740 certification. Um, After this class, you should definitely be certified in. This is a Windows certification. This Windows certification, and you should also take the MTA, which is a server fundamentals certification along with this exam. I guess I should copy that and put that in the course materials also. Um, so they're not graded, correct, but this is something you should have while leaving this course. Don't shortchange yourself while going to school um, because chances are you're going to school. It's just the same thing as I'm going to school. You're going to school to get a better career. And what's going to segregate you from other applicants is being certified in these areas. You're going to be able to say, hey, look, instead of getting hired on as um, I don't know, a technician two, perhaps you just jump up to network administrator, server administrator, because you have these certifications with you. If you have friends or no other students that have been through the course, hop on LinkedIn and see what certifications they have. Chances are they have the MTA and they're going for higher level Microsoft certifications. So you should have these. Like I said, I can't stress enough. You should have these, even though they're not graded. Maybe next semester I'll throw in some grading rubric for them. But you should have these certifications as you leave um, this course. So it should be in there as you leave this course. Activities, assignments. Now moving on to um, the project. Got a few questions about projects still about that should have been asked a few weeks ago as we started the projects, week 13. Um, how big is the method of procedure? I express this in videos. Um, kind of waiting till the last week to get this project. Remember, this is going to be an in-depth project. Um, So it should show the work of multiple weeks. That hey, look, I worked on this for multiple weeks, got it to work. Um, Worked on multiple weeks to get let's go one and two. Got one and two to work. As soon as I installed feature B or feature three, I'm sorry, one, two, three. As soon as I installed feature three, the whole system crashed. Had to start over. Here's my strike through of my method of procedures. Your method of procedure can be, I don't know, 24 pages, 40 pages long. It's going to be an in-depth look at telling me what you did and what you tried and able to get the assignment done. Individual assignment, new category, final project. And we're going to submit this if I did everything right. New grade item, course project, save and close. With an out of score. Um, this assignment, once again, is a all or nothing assignment. Since there's been 3 weeks to work on it, um, there's no reason why I should get a full-blown 3-week project. If there's anything short, before giving you a grade, I'll simply reply back to you and say, look, this is what your project is kind of lacking. This is what your portfolio should be. You're going to get those sort of comments from me back. We have a week and 2 days. No, a week and 1 day. So if we go, no, 2 days. Monday to Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday. So we have a week and 2 days to get this correct. And once again, if there is any error, like I said, I'm just going to return it back to you and not put in a grade. Wait for you to fix it, correct it, and then turn it in. Um, I've seen most people start pushing assignments to me. Um, Make sure you submit them in this folder here. You can separate them out. I wouldn't do a zip file. Um, Method of procedure document, network topology document. Submit them singly, and it should work within um, the project. Your presentation, all should be within here. So I can just open it up and look at it. And then I'll provide some feedback. Good work so far, and this is the end of the semester. Congratulations. I'll start taking a look at making sure final grades are all hammered out starting Monday, Sunday. So if you do have any questions about any sort of graded item, perhaps Cengage marked something wrong. I know someone reached out about a couple points because Cengage was messing up just a little bit, and that's common. But that's it. Have a good Monday. Welcome to week 15. Start getting those assignments in. And make sure if you have any questions about the assignments, go and you breeze through those videos, or you shoot me a question at this time, and I referenced it in a video. I will direct you back to those last week's videos because that information was in there in those videos. Have a good week. Bye. Oh, it crashed.